All right, y'all. So you guys have been asking for an update on these puppies. As of today, they are 3 weeks old and they are growing super, super fast. Like, I just can't believe it. If you remember from my previous video, I came home from work and realized that Jador had actually given birth to 5 puppies. And I was in denial, I'll say that for sure. So they are growing big, and to be honest, I don't know who the baby daddy is for these damn puppies. That is a long story, and I might tell it on the next update. But as you can see, this one here is moving a whole lot. This was when they made 2 weeks old, and as you can see, Jador is just chilling, trying to just rest, I guess. They are moving so much. And I'm like low-key afraid of dogs. So now that we have 6, I'm like, they gotta go. Can't keep them all. I'm nervous. But here they are at 3 weeks. They are getting so big and like starting to move around a whole lot. And I don't know. I'll be trying to figure out why they stay in the back like that pretty much all night. But hey, as long as they're not coming to the front trying to escape out that cage, I'm going to be all right. But I just wanted to give y'all an update because y'all really care about these dogs. And let me know if anybody wants one because I cannot keep 6. That ain't happening. Are they cute?